When it comes to upgrading your home, few improvements make as immediate an impact as door replacement. In High Springs, where warm temperatures, humidity, and seasonal storms are part of daily life, choosing the right door material is about more than style. It's about durability, energy efficiency, security, and long-term value. If you're considering a door replacement in High Springs, understanding your material options will help you make a confident, informed decision. Why material matters in High Springs. High Springs homeowners face unique environmental conditions. Heat, moisture, and occasional heavy rain can take a toll on exterior doors. The wrong material may warp, crack, swell, or fade over time. The right material, however, will stand strong, protect your home, and maintain its appearance for years. Beyond weather resistance, your door plays a key role in insulation and security. A properly chosen and professionally installed door can lower energy bills, reduce drafts, and improve overall comfort. Let's explore the most popular door materials and how they perform in High Springs. Fiberglass doors. Durable and low-maintenance fiberglass doors are one of the top choices for door replacement in High Springs. They are highly resistant to moisture, which makes them ideal for Florida's humid climate. Unlike wood, fiberglass won't swell, rot, or warp when exposed to rain and heat. Homeowners also appreciate fiberglass for its versatility. These doors can mimic the look of real wood while offering better durability and lower maintenance. You won't need frequent sanding or refinishing, making them a convenient option for busy households. In terms of energy efficiency, fiberglass doors often feature insulated cores that help regulate indoor temperatures. This can reduce strain on your HVAC system and keep your home comfortable year-round. Best for homeowners seeking a balance of style, durability, and low maintenance. Steel doors. Strong and secure. If security is your top priority, steel doors are worth serious consideration. They are incredibly strong and provide excellent protection against forced entry. Many High Springs homeowners choose steel doors for added peace of mind. Steel doors are also energy efficient when properly insulated. However, they may require some maintenance to prevent dents or scratches from leading to rust over time. Modern finishes have improved durability, but occasional touch-ups may still be needed. Compared to wood, steel doors are generally more affordable, making them a budget-friendly option for homeowners who want reliability without a high price tag. Best for homeowners focused on security and cost-effectiveness. Wood doors. Classic beauty and custom appeal. There's no denying the timeless elegance of a wood door. For homeowners who value natural beauty and craftsmanship, wood remains a popular choice. A well-designed wood entry door can significantly enhance curb appeal in High Springs neighborhoods. However, wood requires more maintenance in humid environments. Regular sealing, staining, or painting is essential to protect against moisture damage. Without proper care, wood can warp or crack over time. If you love the warmth and character of real wood and are willing to maintain it, this material can offer unmatched charm. Best for homeowners prioritizing aesthetics and traditional design. Impact-resistant options for storm protection. Given Florida's storm season, many High Springs homeowners consider impact-resistant doors. These doors are designed to withstand strong winds and flying debris. Often constructed with reinforced fiberglass or steel cores and heavy-duty glass, they provide added protection during severe weather. Impact-rated doors can also improve home insurance benefits and increase property value. If storm preparedness is important to you, this upgrade is worth exploring. Best for homeowners seeking added storm protection and peace of mind. Energy efficiency and insulation. No matter which material you choose, insulation is key. Look for doors with energy-efficient cores, weather stripping, and tight seals. Proper installation is just as important as material selection. Even the best door won't perform well if it isn't installed correctly. A high-quality door replacement in High Springs should help reduce air leaks, improve indoor comfort, and potentially lower monthly energy costs. Making the right choice for your home. Choosing the best material for door replacement in High Springs ultimately depends on your priorities. Are you looking for low maintenance? Maximum security? Classic design? Storm resistance? Each material offers unique advantages. Working with experienced door professionals can help you evaluate your home's needs, climate considerations, and budget. With the right material and proper installation, your new door will enhance your home's beauty, security, and efficiency for years to come. Investing in the right door isn't just about appearance, it's about protecting your home and improving your everyday comfort.